Hey everybody, it's Tanya Tomek and this is my Horrorpack unboxing for February. Horrorpack is a subscription for DVDs or Blu-rays. I do get the Blu-ray for, I think it's $25, and comes in this bubble wrap package. And a lot of times you get one limited edition, which is really cool. So first one is Raven's Banner releasing The Vigil. This is a young man agrees to fulfill the ritualistic duties of a shomer. I don't know what that is. And sit in vigil over a dead body. But he soon realizes there's something very wrong. Ooh, creepy. Okay, so it looks like a supernatural type horror. The next one is Mary. Oh, it's just Mary. Mary. I was like, Mary from the writer of The Shallows. I thought that was the full name, but it's just Mary. This is Gary Oldman, the struggling blue-collar captain. There's an abandoned ship up for auction. Sounds like a ghost ship type story. Ooh, creepy. Okay, so it sounds like another supernatural one. Then we've got Morbid Colors. This is the limited edition. Trying to get it to not reflect, but it's still wrapped. This is a limited edition one. This is a rock and roll drummer with strange behavior. There's a horrific episode at a concert. Then an insatiable thirst for human blood. So sounds kind of monster-y to me. That's the back. That's the front. And then the very last one. Another wolf cop. Another wolf cop. I haven't seen this one, but we've seen the first one. So another wolf cop. I can't describe this. If you know wolf cop, you know. If you don't know wolf cop, go check it out. Dirtier, hairier. Yes. Okay. So we get another wolf cop. We get the Vigil. We get the limited edition Morbid Colors and Mary. That's everything for this month's horror pack and February horror pack. And do you get horror pack? Let me know in the comments below. What did you think of this month's? Do you get the Blu-ray or the DVD? What do you think of any of these movies? And as always, thanks for watching.